So let's talk about why you should register for UIF, the compensation fund, even though you're already registered for Pay As You Earn. And many business owners think that once they're registered for Pay As You Earn, everything is sorted when it comes to employee compliance. Unfortunately, no. So Pay As You Earn, UIF, and the compensation fund are three different obligations. Um, it doesn't mean that if you register for one, you automatically registered for the other one. So let's look at the UIF separately. The UIF is the Unemployment Insurance Fund, and it provides short-term relief for employees when they lose their job, when they go on maternity leave, when they're ill for an extended period of time, or they pass away, in which case their dependents can claim. Unfortunately, yes, it is law. We need to register for UIF as well, even though we pay UIF together with the Pay As You Earn on the SARS e-filing platform. It is a separate obligation. So we need to deduct the UIF from the salary, and it gets paid over to SARS. And if you don't register, you're not compliant and you're actually exposing your business to fines and penalties. So let's look at the compensation fund. The compensation fund, in short, we talk about COIDA. So the compensation fund it's like a type of insurance. So it covers work-related injuries, illnesses, or death. So if an employee gets hurt on the job and you're not registered, you carry the full legal and financial liability. And that can be a big disadvantage for business and even causes bankruptcy at the end of the day. So why register? It is because accidents happen. Even, like in my case, office jobs. So we need to be covered to protect the employee as well as the business. And I know you already thought that I'm paying Pay As You Earn already. Isn't that enough? No. So let's think about Pay As You Earn. Pay As You Earn covers income tax. The UIF and the compensation fund provides a sense of security and workplace safety for the employee. SARS handles the Pay As You Earn as well as the UIF, as said already, but SARS handles the UIF on behalf of the Department of Labour. You still need to submit the detail to the Department of Labour. And then the Compensation Commissioner handles the compensation fund. And the compensation fund, we pay that once a year. And actually, it is now the time to start thinking, is your certificate still valid? So it's three different departments, three different registrations. All is mandatory if you employ people. So the bottom line, if you deduct Pay As You Earn, good for you. But to stay compliant and protected, you need to register for UIF and compensation fund separately. And remember, it's not just about ticking boxes. It is like a protection for your team and for your business, and it protects you for your business for a legal as well as a financial risk. So keep things legal, keep it clean, keep it future proof, and comply with the law. So I know it's frustrating, and we don't want to pay, but I think the best will be if we comply. Now, if you like the content, please continue and share the content with somebody that can benefit from it. And if you've got a question that you want me to answer in the future, please leave it in the comments below.